All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 BMW 430i hardtop convertible with 44,000 miles. This beautiful blue color with black or charcoal interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering controls, backup camera, heated seats, navigation system, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage, only 44,000 miles on this vehicle. Front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty darn nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing, very light, about an inch there, or less than an inch. Here, tire thread is over boom, over 430 seconds, under 7. This door looks good. This quarter looks pretty good. Does have a chip there. It has been touched up, but it is there. The rest of the quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. Does have some curving in spots. Boom, boom, boom. I'll say 10 or more just to engulf that edge there. The tire thread back here. If I can get there we go. Is under 430 seconds. Rear passenger seat looks good. Rear front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips, looks good. Is a powered seat with memory seating, got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, super nice. Check out. Turn on this vehicle. There's a push start button. Does come with the one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Got your backup camera, and as you can see, you got your Navi system right there displayed. You got your backup camera, boom, and your mirrors move as well, boom. This is of course your AC controls right down below. You got your little buttons here that move the radio. There you go. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on, and the issues your mileage of 549. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Looks good. Let's keep it moving. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Does have 1 chip, 2 chips, 3 chips, 4 chips. A couple of chips back here. Your deck lid looks pretty good. This is what your trunk space looks like. Of course, it is folded in, this thing. If you check out pictures, you'll see this, everything down there. I did put your owner's manual is back there underneath that little tray. Your quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Does have some curbing here on the edge, just like the other one. I'll say 10 or more just to engulf it all. Your tire thread here. This on the 430 seconds. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your rear, no holes, no tears, no rips back there. Fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Does have some curbing here and some down here. I'll say 10 or more to engulf it all. And your tire thread here is over 730 seconds. Lights are working. Let's get your fog lights on and make sure they are working. All right. Fog lights are working. Car looks beautiful, folks. Once again, a 2018 BMW 430i with 44,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.